in the quiet moments while you close your eyes to sleep, while the rest of the world settles into for their nightly slumber. You eagerly hope tonight will be different, or you can escape your symptoms of multiple sclerosis. During the day, you couldn't find a comfort. So maybe tonight will be different. Maybe tonight will be filled with dreams of remyelination. Maybe even when remyelination is happening. Hey, it's Dave. When your head hits the pillow, the dread hits you like this was the first time. But it happens every night. Your mind weaves through the day's tapestry of thoughts and emotions, seeking respite from MS. The typical questions start to race through your thoughts, as if on cue. At first, the pain is a mere murmur, faintly present in the background. Its whispers may manifest as a dull ache, or your sensation that drives you to move your legs. Or even an intense flurry of sharp daggers that seem like they're running down your spine. Like a persistent visitor at the door, it knocks insistently, unwilling to be ignored. Its mere presence tugs at your mind, preventing you from finding your escape. This is when I looked at the pain for what it was. It was nothing new. There was no knife, no flame, no hammer. It was the loss of myelin from the nerves in my brain and spinal cord. Even though it was distressing, I learned a new solution that fixes this. So, come with me as I tell you what I've learned. For as long as I can remember, I always relied on picturing a comforting scene to calm my body. It sounds like the right thing to do, right? But I was totally misguided. Those comforting thoughts were activating parts of my imagination and thinking, keeping my mind active and preventing me from falling asleep. So I had to clear my mind. And I mean everything clear. I don't think about what was going on during my day and during my life. Not about this channel. Not about any encounters with people I knew. Nothing. I know. Easier said than done, right? But I promise you, with practice, it gets easier. Every time a thought pops into my head, I get rid of it instantly, no matter what it is. It could be beautiful, something happy and relaxing. It doesn't matter. All those things are great, but I fixate my mind's eye on blackness. I see it as not blackness that is cold and evil and dark, but a warm and gentle embrace. I fixate my being on that warmth. The thought tries to creep into my mind from my periphery. I focus and just shove it out. I just ignore it. I just keep my eyes fixated on that blackness. I don't talk to myself, repeating things like, just don't think about anything, just don't think about anything, just don't think about anything. Just the act of talking to myself is thinking, right? So it's counterproductive, and I refrain from anything that leads me to thinking, period. So, since I have adopted this, the time it takes me to fall asleep has drastically reduced. Even better, the deep sleep I record with my Fitbit each night has shot up. Even though my pain has entirely left my nights long ago, I mean years, this blissful technique serves as a natural remedy for the chronic pain that often plagues those of us that are still fighting with MS. In the deepest stages of sleep, the brain releases natural pain-relieving substances as well as BDNF, which is integral for remyelination. Leave a comment. Do you want to run to your bed right now and try this out and start practicing? Check out my playlist about sleep and MS to learn about the supplements I take before bed, which are fantastic. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.